Attention, Michigan first-time home buyers. Do not get stuck buying a lemon when you're out searching for that perfect home. Here I have 5 things for you to look for. Now, just so you know, after you put your offer in and your offer is accepted, you will have an inspection done, and the inspector should catch these things. But hey, why waste $300 or $400 when you can avoid that? So number 1, make sure you check the foundation. The foundation should be flat, nothing moving, shifting. Look around the house, make sure that house is sturdy. Number 2, go ahead and check the roof. Make sure the roof, you can see the shingles there, the pattern, nothing's really faded. Replacing a roof is very expensive. Number 3, make sure there's no termites or no bugs or nothing like that. Number 4, any kind of water damage. Water damage is very expensive. And it leads into number 5, mold. If something has mold, it's not a good home. Be prepared to walk away because you don't want to get stuck with a lemon. If you want to learn more about how to buy a home, answer all your questions, and get the best customer service, my contact information is below.